Welcome to Upstyle Press. Can you use Microsoft PowerPoint for free? Absolutely yes. You can get latest Microsoft PowerPoint for free legally and from Microsoft. To do that, open web browser and type powerpoint.cloud.microsoft. Hit enter, and this is free Microsoft PowerPoint from Microsoft on the cloud. Searching for free PowerPoint online in Google will also take you to this page. To use it for free, you will need to sign in by using your Hotmail or Outlook email address. You can create a PowerPoint presentation files using templates like this, or you can start from a blank presentation. It's got all the new and exciting features of Microsoft PowerPoint. After you create the presentation, you can save a copy online or download a copy to your computer. This web-based PowerPoint version is not behind desktop version. In fact, it's got some new features that are not yet in desktop version. So you will be the first to try these features in web-based version before they appear in desktop version. It's got some limitations though. It depends completely on internet access. It's got limited file compatibility. It lacks some advanced features needed for complex tasks. It also has some file size restrictions. But I use it online all the time, and these limitations have never been an issue for me. If you prefer to download full desktop version of Office, including PowerPoint for free, you can search for Office 365 Education and you will land on this page. If you are a student or educator, you can download Microsoft Office for free, including PowerPoint. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.